Hello there, this is Roberto Matthews with another quick tip. Today we're going to learn how to crop your photos in Pixelmator Pro. So let's go ahead and get started with a nice, let's start with some pixels here. And let's go 1280 by 720. Okay, so let's imagine we're going to put a beach scene in here. So I'm going to unsplash to get some nice scenes here. Okay, so here's our first picture. We're going to press Alt so that we can do this. We can constrain the properties as we are bringing this out from the center. And let's imagine that we're going to add a horse to this. So let's go ahead and look up some horses. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I want to crop this out. So if I go over here to my selection tool and I click the square selection and get the area that I want, for instance, let's say all I want is this much of the horse, and I press crop. So I'm right clicking and pressing crop. The problem is that the entire scene will crop. If I press enter, my entire canvas will crop. So let's undo that. The proper way to crop a picture instead is to go and right click on the layer and say add mask. Now the layer is cropped here. But if I click on the picture, you'll see that my selectors are still as big as the original picture. Once I want to commit to the crop, we're going to right click here and say merge. And now our picture is completely cropped to the size that we want. And we can add our picture. A second way to crop is to actually merge the entire area here. So we're going to go to our quick select tool here, quick selection, and we're going to select all of the horse. And let's zoom in. I'm holding Alt and using my scroll wheel. We're just gonna see if we can get as much of the horse as possible. We don't want this, so we're gonna press Alt. We're just gonna take this part out there, and maybe even this. Okay. Now I'm holding space so that I can move around, and let's make sure we get all of the ear here. Okay, so now that we have this all selected, we can press V to go back to our selection tool or back to our default tool here, our arrange tool. And then we can again right click, say add mask, and now our horse is masked out. What's great about a mask is that you can edit it post also. So see this little area right here? We can take our brush. So we can press B for brush or go to the brush here. I have a nice little soft brush. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger by pressing our right bracket key. We're also going to select our color here. Now the color, if the color is black, then it's going to hide. If it's white, then it's going to show. So we're on black, and we can go ahead and rub this out real quick. And let's kind of like rub that out, make it nice and smooth, as though he were in the sand. And there we have it. 2 ways to crop our pictures. And of course you can, make sure you select your picture, not your layer. And we can go ahead and put our picture in our other picture. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching.